Hello everyone, welcome to Color by Chaf channel, which is about digital printing, special inkjet digital printing. My name is Safa Erdogan, who has a 25 years digital printing industry experiences in all the fields, from manufacturers to now export manufacturers and exporters to worldwide for inkjet inks. Therefore, in this video, I would like to share with you, especially in the world winter side, where the winter is now in sort of north, where the winter is there. Then we have some problems on digital printing, special inkjet digital printing. What is the problem in winter? Even water-based inks, all water-based pigmented inks, textile inks, solvent-based pigmented inks, ceramic pigmented inks, all have certain problem, which is water-based. And water is, freeze in 0 degrees. And it causes a serious problem. Therefore, where you use your printer, keep this room in an environmental temperature about 20-25 degrees, and even you don't trust your temperature measurement. Just if you feel okay, that you don't feel cold as a body, then this means that the room temperature is fine for ink also. That's the reason. Be careful where your print environment and where the printers belongs these days, because at night it becomes lower than 0 degrees, and morning you have a problems in the printers, cause inks chemistry is changing. Second one, that where you store your ink, you must keep the storage place also not cool down below 0 if it's possible, because it's a waste of time. Shelf life is getting lower. I'm not talking about any brand, I'm talking all the chemistry of inkjet inks. That's the reason. Keep of them. They are your investment inventory. Keep your printer and production alive. Please, in winter, be careful your production. Just keep that place well heated, and keep your production alive. All the best. If you like, subscribe my channel. See you. Bye.